This is a variation on an old gambling scam with a few cards, three of which are red-backed and the odd one out, of course, which is blue-backed. You'll notice also that the cards have writing on the back. They're marked cards, in other words. This one says Jack because it's actually a Jack. It's the Jack of Hearts. And this is what would be the money card if we were actually gambling. Okay, so that's the Jack of Hearts. And I'll just cut that into amongst the others. And the others say 7 on the back, the red-backed cards, because they're actually red 7s. And the idea in this game is to avoid the red 7s and bet on the Jack, because the Jack is the one which will help you win. And since the Jack is a different coloured back, and they're actually marked on the back, it couldn't get any simpler. Well, actually, it could. You can have fewer 7s. So if I take a 7 away, get that out of the way, then, well, now it's so easy to find the Jack. But if you're going to gamble on the Jack and you think that it's so simple, when you think it couldn't get any simpler or easier, that's when it gets a bit harder. Because now you're not sure which Jack to bet on. You could bet on this Jack, but of course that's not the money Jack, that's the Jack of Diamonds. The money Jack was the Jack of Hearts, don't forget. And this says Jack on the back and it's on a blue back, but this is the Jack of Clubs. This Jack is the Jack of Spades. The 7, you wouldn't think to bet on the 7 because it's not a Jack, but that in actual fact is the Jack of Hearts, which just goes to prove that you should never gamble with strangers, no matter how easy it looks.